So here we have another unboxing video. This is for a set of Ford Focus Mk2 Facelift headlights which fit 2008 to 2012. This is a black DRL upgrade headlight kit. So we'll get these unboxed and we'll have a closer look. As you can see, these are boxed really well. They're also covered in a protective cling film just to stop any scratches on the lens during transit. So these headlights have got your high beam reflector, your dip beam projector, which gives it like a xenon style look. They've got a matte black inner. Your indicator is located down here, and then the LED DRL strip. So let's spin the headlight round. They do come complete with bulbs fitted, high beam, low beam, indicator and DRL LED. Low level motor is also included and also fitted. And these headlights are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired and they do plug straight in. What we have noticed when we've tried fitting these to a Zetec S, I can't confirm if it if it happens on any other vehicle. The design of the rear of the light is slightly different to OE. So what we found is the low level motor, when fitting, it butted up against the plastic front panel. It is an easy fix. All we did is just cut a little notch out just to allow the headlight to slide into place. Whether you choose to do that is entirely up to you. We've decided to remove the Zetec S from our cataloguing just to cover that issue. But if you do decide to do it, it really is a 5-minute job and dead easy to do. It's just a little tiny notch what needs chopping out. Can be done with a set of pliers, like side cutters maybe, or even ideally an hacksaw blade. So what we'll do next, we'll get these illuminated and show you a little closer up.